Hi guys, this is Irene from BrainStorm Acres, and today I'm going to talk about preserving dried goods without any kind of cooking. I was chatting with a friend the other day, and we were talking about the fact that we both had the vacuum sealers and that sort of stuff. And I said that we put our pecans and walnuts and almonds and stuff like that into glass jars and used the vacuum sealer to seal them up. She had never heard about that. And I explained to her that the reason I do it is because those things are susceptible to becoming rancid. And what makes them go rancid is the air. The oxygen in the air oxidizes the oils in the nuts, and that's what makes them spoil. Super simple process, and so I thought I would share it today with you guys. Canning funnel is a nice thing because it helps to keep. Now all I did was I shook it down a little bit, add a couple more in there. Make sure the top edge is completely clean. If it's got dust on it, it's not going to work. Take a clean lid. I'm just going to use the sucker downer, as we call it. Pretty scientific name. And here we go. Turn it on. Get the accelerator. Okay. Now that sucked it down just as if I had cooked something and canned it. What I like to do is I like to, if I'm transporting them, like if I'm going on a camping event or something like that, I will put a lid on it, a ring on it. If not, it goes in the cabinet just like this. And that lets me know if something has gone wrong to break that suction. I like to do this for pecans and walnuts, almonds, so all the nuts specifically. We also have done it with rice, because even rice can go rancid if you're buying it in huge quantities, which we usually do. There's only 2 of us here. I use quart jars for that, and I use pint jars for the nuts, because that just works out perfectly for us. It also prevents, because you've got a nice closed container, no bugs. So it's a great combination. We have not had any problems with moths or other sort of meal bugs here. So let me finish up now. There's 2 pounds of pecans that are ready to sit on the shelf, and we've had very good luck with them staying super fresh. 6 months is totally expected. I actually lost one on the shelf one time, and it was a year old, and you couldn't tell the difference between that one and the new ones. So I think this is a great way to preserve dried products that you want to keep safe. No bugs, no dust, no funky smells, and it really helps to prevent them going rancid. So I hope this helps you guys, and we'll be seeing you later. Take it easy. Bye. You're only supposed to use these things for baking. No, I don't think so.